Today I'm gonna show you how you can create your own levels in my softbody simulator 1.0. Yeah, let's go. You can remix it because yeah, it's going to take a long time. Or actually, it's kind of easy though. Then yeah, this is how to do it. Just create a new level or paint something new, and then just make something that you think is a really cool level. Well, I'm going to you can help with sprites if you don't have any idea what you're going to make. But yeah, let's go. And after that, make sure to name it something like I don't know. Yep, I made myself a diamond level. That was the color. And here is here's here's the here's the here's the here's the thing. Here's the important stuff. Go back to the code tab while you're in levels. Check the levels list. Check if you have yeah, you can definitely insert it anywhere or just add it on top because it's a custom level. And name it, and you need to add your the cost to costume name to levels. So can you see? It should be something like. Let me just expand it a little. Yeah, that's correct. That's quite correct. One last thing you need to do. You need to also change the text. It's pretty important. So yeah, remember to diamond level and just change the text bar and change the text to whatever the name of the level you made was, and then we're good to go. Let's give it a quick test. There you go. Now we're done. Here's our diamond level that I made. Oh, wow. And here's the diamond level that I made, and you can move around it. Yeah, but that was kind of basic. Maybe you want moving stuff. I can show you how you can implement it. But you're going to need to code a little bit. Like it's modding and anyways. Um yeah, I can definitely add some moving parts to this diamond level here. I can I can I can make this platform move there and back here. And no. I can have a you can have a I can have a I can have a moving platform that goes from here to there. Like you know the drill. It's pretty easy to make. I can show you how to make that, but you have to mod a little harder. So I would say to yeah, do that. And you're going to have to do this first in there when I receive tick block. Duplicate that, and if costume name is diamond level or whatever you call that one level, or uh, you can make a new one. It's called diamond level moving. Yeah, you need to have moving stuff. Well, I don't have any diamond level left because I don't have enough space. But yeah, here's your original level, and here's your moving, moving stuff, moving thing. Well, yeah, we can all agree that should be around here. I think. Yeah, that will be a good spot. I think. Let me just see. Maybe there, maybe there. And as you can see, I can I can make it move left and right. Yeah, you're going to have to know a little bit of coding for this, but it's okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you definitely have to do. Yeah. And you can just pop that in there. Moving. Yeah, it's not going to be there the whole time, that. So let me just, when I started clone, do this, then do that. And moving, remember to set it to moving. I can just set it that. And if moving is 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 more, and if moving is more than, let's say 0, 0, 0, 0, I think it's a good number. Then move, change by 5 degrees. No, yeah, and and if and if no, 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 yeah, if x position is, if x position is more than, let's say positive 150, then change moving set moving, not change moving set moving to, let's say 0. Okay, then just if just there you go, that you can see here, because yeah, and if x position is less than negative 150, then set moving to 1. That will be kinda good, I think. Yeah, that will work. I hope. No, it's actually here. Here, I think. Yeah, it's here, it's here, it's here. So it will move back and forth. But I need to see here. This is the problem. You have to do this. If just copy that of diamond level, or whatever you call your level, custom level, and then you need to add you need to change to diamond level moving, and then create a clone. Yeah, you. I hope you understand that. I really do, because this might get kinda confusing, but it's okay. If you follow what I'm doing, you can maybe try doing it your own ways. Well, what it's doing here is just, if X position is right there, kinda, then it needs then it's setting moving to 1, and 1 is definitely more than 0. No, 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 it's actually worse. And changing it to 0. And since moving is definitely less than 0, then you need to change it by 10. Yeah, x by minus 10. And if it's around there where it spawns, just then it's going to set moving to 1. Then And then moving is definitely more than 0. Then it's going to change x by 10. And go back and forth. Forever. Yeah, that should work. Well, let's test it. It might not work the first time, but we can, yeah, we can try it. Okay, let's go. Yep, and it absolutely works. Just a little. What happened here, though? Now this is very confusing. Oh yeah, I think I know. Yeah, it's cloning like right at the middle. Let me just wait. It's actually the correct one, huh? Diamond level moving, moving. Okay, what you can if you that wasn't try 15. Let me try that. I think I done something really wrong. That's okay. That happens though, so it's really okay. Yep, and there it works. It was just the yeah. Be careful when you're setting the costume name because you need to be very accurate, or else it will fail. Just like you do here. I might have typed something wrong there, but it's okay now. So let's go over to the rotation, the rotation part. Well, that's kind of easy though. I already made it, but if you want to customize it even more, I can do that for you. See if you have this, you can like copy this if you want, and just rename it to your level, diamond level moving, or you can change it to rotating. Yeah, that's kind of better. Well, you can also use the ID if you want. So yeah, you can do that and change it to diamond level or your name rotation. And then let's code it. Well, as you can see, I already made rotating stuff, so you can just copy that. Just costume name to diamond level moving, or not moving, but no, rotating. Rotating, it's that correct? Or just use the ID if you want. 16 to mine is mine. Let's test if that works. You can that I'm just gonna check if I need to change the settings a little bit, or if it's and it's working perfectly fine. Or actually, it's not really working that well. What was the problem? Oh wait, yeah, code errors can happen a lot of time. So be careful. Like I wasn't careful there. Yeah, be careful and be accurate. Okay. Well, let's go. Start. Start the program. And you made it to scroll for a while. There you go. Here you got the. Yeah, that's okay. Let me just change. Maybe the platform moves too fast. I don't know. Maybe that. Wow, this took a long time. Yep, then we done it. Maybe the platforms move really fast. It's easy to fix it. Just code a little bit until it matches what you wanted to do. Or wanted to make. Well, yeah, that's everything you need to know to make your own levels. In That's really the whole point of this project, I guess. You can call it a project, but I just really call it a yeah. It's kind of I don't know what to call it because it's not really impressive. Like the soft body physics is kind of buggy and doesn't it, it it's not even a soft body. It's not even a soft body at all. But yeah, that is really the best I can do. Well, yeah, you know the deal. Subscribe, and you know it's YouTube. You know what to do. Yeah, and yeah, we see you in the next video, I guess.